Welcome back to Energy and Cleaning and Life Hacks. Today I'm going to show you how to remove water stains from your wood. You can see right here when we moved into this house, this big stain was right here, and I've just been putting it off. I'm also going to show you a way to remove the appearance of scratches. Let's just take a look at this. The camera's picking it up right here, this big round circle. You certainly can try some toothpaste. However, I do not have white toothpaste on hand. So what you want to do is get yourself some good old mayonnaise right here. A little goes a long way. So I'm just going to dip that right in there. And we are going to, I got a paper towel. We're just going to buff this water ring out here. Watch what happens, my friend. Watch what happens. This is absolutely genius. Look, look. Look, yes, are we seeing that ring is completely gone, and that literally took, what, 10 seconds? And the wood looks a little bit more shiny than when we started. How about scratches on furniture, such as this island right here? My friend has a dog, and she had a ton of these on her island. I thought, honey, let's just get some mayo out. Let me get you focused in right here. Again, you're just gonna buff your scratch right here with the mail. Look at right there, it is coming out very, very nicely. Scratch be gone. I want to come back here again after this had completely dried, after about a half hour or so, and you can see that that water ring is completely gone. But what I do know is that I need to shine up the rest of this countertop right here. Give this video a thumbs up, click the video on screen now for some additional cleaning and life hacks, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.